my channel. In today's video, I have the last installment in the birthday haul, the luxury birthday series, and I saved not the best, but the most fun for my channel. I saved it for last. I'm trying to figure out what is the orange. Oh, it's that. So in today's video, I have an Hermes haul. I'm so excited. I have quite a few Hermes boxes here, as well as 2 cosmetics items. So if you guys would like to see what I've picked up and received for my birthday from Hermes, please keep watching. Okay, so this is gonna be a long video because you guys know I have a story for everything. I'm going to start with the smallest item and we're gonna work our way up to the largest. I indulged. So I want to share the things that I got from Hermes. Now, everything in this haul I have opened and used, or at least tried on and touched. Everything besides 2 things. So let's get into it. This haul right here is partly the reason why all the other videos took so long to come out. You'll see when I talk about some of these items, they just had so many shipping errors. Like one item was back ordered, a few items were in transit, and then they were returned. It was just a big debacle, but I know you guys would rather have the videos late than never. So let's jump right in. This year was the year for Chanel for me, but I am gearing up to enter my 40s, no time soon, but I would love to be able to secure a Birkin at or around my 40th birthday. So I've decided to indulge in a little bit of Hermes and kind of get my feet wet into the brand. So the first item I'm going to unbox, well, let's start with beauty. I received 2 Hermes lipsticks last year for Christmas. Was it last year for Christmas? Yeah. And I loved them. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of the Hermes lipstick formula, but I do love the colors. So I wanted to pick up another one. So I picked up the Hermes Rouge Matte Lipstick in 33 Orange Boitier, I believe, but it is a lipstick. So of course, all the Hermes products come in their signature orange packaging. And yeah, the lipstick slides out. Now, what I really love about Hermes lipstick is that they are sustainable. Shout out to all my sustainability kings and queens. You can refill these lipsticks. They come with their own dust bag. I mean, for the price that you're paying, I believe this lipstick was $67. You better receive a dust bag. So I really like that the packaging is really, really fabulous. This is what the lipstick case looks like. And I wanted a signature Hermes orange. So this is the lipstick. Once again, this is 33 Orange Boitier. I gotta look it up. Y'all know how I am about pronunciation. I was not allowed to say things incorrectly as a child. One moment. French pronunciation. Oh, it means box. Boîte. Ooh. Boîte. Okay, so this shade is 33 Orange Boîte, which means box. That totally makes sense. Duh, orange box. See, this is why I'm such a nerd, you guys. I love words, okay? I love words. I love that boîte means box in French. Orange box, Hermes. So that's how you pronounce it, Orange Boîte. So this is once again the shade, and on the actual lipstick itself, Hermes is embossed. Like I said, these aren't the best formulation in terms of being matte lipsticks. They're not really as opaque as I would like, but they take care of the job, and it's Hermes. So I definitely wanted to pick this lipstick up. So that is our first item, and I can't wait to wear that. You guys, I have been holding these items to unbox and use, and now I'm so excited. Like, is anyone else like that? I have to share it with my beauties before I use them. Okay. So our second beauty item is a blush. I'm really, really excited about this. This is my first complexion product from Hermes, and this is in shade 32 Rose. We're gonna look this up as well. There's probably a meaning behind it. Let's see. P-O-M-M-E-T-T-E. Pommet. Cheekbone. Oh my goodness. This is why I love words. Like, why am I this much of a nerd? So it's pommet. Pommet, which means cheekbone. Rose pommet, cheekbone. Oh, Am I really showing my card that I'm this much of a nerd? I don't even mind, you guys. Nerds are smart, whatever. So this is the Hermes blush. Once again, you have your signature Hermes packaging and you have a slide out box. Whoo, she is gorgeous. So this is the packaging of the blush. I mean, very expensive. I want to say, I'll put the price on the screen, but I want to say this was like $78. I would never spend this much for any other makeup item. Look at the color. Once again, this is 32 Rose Pommette. Oh my goodness. I wish I didn't, ooh. Oh. Ooh, this smells like rose. I'm obsessed. So this is the blush color, you guys. If you would like to see a review of the blush, definitely let me know down below. I do have a review of the Hermes lipsticks, and I will be sure to link that down below. Well, I'm already hooked on this. I wish it came in a little dust bag, but that's okay. Shout out to Hermes coming through with the names of the items, the packaging. Like, that is what I expect when I make luxury purchases. So that is the blush 32 Rose Pommette. I am so excited that that means cheekbone. Okay, next. This is another one of the items that I have not officially unboxed, and by looking at it, I know you guys can tell what it is. I do have a story though. I am a Gemini. My birthday was in June, and I really wanted the Louis Vuitton Astro collection Bandeau in Gemini, but it is sold out nationwide. I cannot find it anywhere. I contacted every SA that I have a connection with, and nobody was able to get it. I was kind of bummed because I started looking for it about a month out from my birthday, but I knew that I wouldn't be coming across it, and if I did, it would be really marked up on the pre-owned market. So I went to Hermes, and I'm so glad. So this is my first Hermes Twilly. I'm so excited. This is what the box looks like, a little cylinder box with the Hermes ribbon. I'm so excited, you guys. I have not seen my goodies. So this is the top of the box. And do you guys think you can guess what color Twilly I got? You probably can't because I don't have any other luxury silk scarf this color. I got red. Now I'm gonna put the name across the screen, but the reason why I got it was because it just looked very reminiscent of signature Hermes. Like, the design was just so cute. It reminded me of something that you would have in a horse stable. I mean, like, a lot of Hermes's motif are designed because they started, I think, as a horse. I think they started as a company that made accessories for horses. I could be wrong. So this is called the Galons et Brandebourgs. There you have it. So I love this, you guys. I get these types of twillies or bandeaus to wear in my hair. I don't really like wearing scarves around the handles of my handbag, so I will be wearing this in my hair. I just think it's so cute. I don't have anything red, so I'm really excited for this, and it's my first Hermes Twilly. I'm really excited, you guys. So once again, I will link this down below if it is still available. So yeah, this is what I decided to get because I couldn't find the Louis Vuitton Gemini Bandeau. I just think it's so special. My first Twilly from Hermes. So I will put her back correctly in the box later. But let's move on to our third piece. Oh, this is so exciting, you guys. Okay, let me see. Okay, my third piece is another scarf. And I actually wanted to get an official scarf because I don't have any, well, I have Louis Vuitton shawls, but I don't have scarves. So this is what the packaging looks like. I'm really excited. I already took the ribbon off. But this is the scarf that I got. This is called the, ooh, I can't pronounce it, but I will put it across the screen. Let me show you guys. I will open it up a little bit so you guys can get a better view of it. But it is a full-size scarf. I will wear this in my hair. I will wear it on vacation. I will wear it around my neck, over my shoulders. I love silk accessories, and it has shades of pink, blue, and orange. orange. Like I said, I'll put the name across the screen, but I am so excited to have my first Hermes like official scarf. It is so silky and just fabulous, you guys. I know a lot of people go for the click bracelets and the jewelry, but that's not to say that I won't ever get into Hermes jewelry, but for right now, I'm really loving the silk accessories. I cannot wait to wear her like on vacation. Like, I'm so excited. So that's my first Hermes scarf. And once again, if she is still available, I will link her down below. Okay, I want to save that for last because that's like the most special thing in here. Next up, we have, this is a shape of Hermes box that I have never seen before. Do you guys think you can guess what's in it? It's definitely not a pair of shoes. Not this one. So if you guys have seen any of my other previous birthday luxury hauls, which I will link the one I did this year and last year down below, I love stemware, I love teacups, I love mugs, I love table setting, I love everything like that. I don't know, it's my heritage, it's my culture. In Japanese culture specifically, the art of tea, we love that. I'm drinking tea today, now though I'm not drinking it in a nice little sophisticated teacup. We do really indulge in tea, and we have so many teapots and teacups. So I had to get another teacup and saucer set. So that's what this is. Let me open it up for you. And I had never seen it packaged like this. My first teacup and saucer came packaged individually. And I searched high and low for this. It was sold out everywhere. I don't know what's going on the Hermes website, but let me show you what it looks like. And I believe this is the Deco. Yes, this is the Deco teacup and saucer. So this is what it looks like. I wanted something that was very classic. The previous Hermes teacup and saucer, I think it's like called the Voyage and iCat. I'll put a picture on the screen. It's very bright colored and very whimsical, but I definitely wanted something that was a little more toned down. So this is what the saucer looks like. And it has Deco on the back. And this is what the teacup looks like. Very small, but when I'm drinking tea, I will refill her. So I really love this. I'm so happy to have this in my collection. At this point, I need a new china cabinet because I don't know where she's gonna go. But my mom actually gifted this to me for my birthday, and it was just so sentimental because we love tea. So now I have to invite her over and we can have a tea party with our fascinators. Like, we would literally we will sit in the dining room and do that. So I'm really excited to have this. So that is my second Hermes teacup. And I don't know, like, I know like a lot of people. Are you not happy, God? I thought you fully supported this. But yeah, you guys, so that is my Hermes teacup and saucer. And then my last item that I want to share with you guys, this is the thing that I vacillated back and forth for months about. I have watched practically every video of a woman with larger feet talk about the Hermes sandals. I have spoken to my friends. I have a couple of friends who have them. Everybody gave me their opinion. One of my friends, she goes up like 2 sizes in her European shoes, so I knew that these would fit me. I've watched so many videos, and I finally got them. I didn't know whether or not I actually wanted to pull the trigger because the world is closing back up, and I'm like, am I really gonna be able to wear them? But I wanted to get them last year for my birthday, but I encountered the same problem, the Porsche Panamera. So I just decided to pull the trigger. So what do you think I got? I'm really excited about these. I haven't worn them, but now that I am unboxing them, I want to wear them this weekend. So enough chitter chatter, let's get into it. I got a pair of shoes, and I know you probably already know which shoes I got. I got a pair of sandals, and when I show them to you guys, we'll get into it because I definitely veered away from what you might think I would get. But first of all, can we get into this dust bag? This is the nicest quality luxury shoe dust bag I have ever put my hands on. This is like, it's really nice. Like Hermes, you know what you're doing. Okay, so let me take them out so I can show you guys. I'm so excited to finally wear my babies. I can wear them with what I have on now. So I got the Hermes Oran sandals, and I'm gonna put the style across the screen because these are not the traditional solid colorway. I'm not sure what type of leather. I believe they have a few different types of leather, but I went for these just because they're different. You guys know, if you've seen any of my luxury unboxings, I don't go for what is like trendy and popular. Even though the Oran sandals are trendy and popular, they're definitely a classic sandal, but I wanted to go for something a little different. I believe they're called something gris something, because gris is like silver. So these are basically a leather sandal, but on top you have silver stitching in them. I mean, they're just beautiful. So it is a leather sandal, but there's silver stitching in them, and I am obsessed. Now, I did get them in a size 41. Traditionally, I wear a size US 10. So normally I go for a 10.5 or a 40.5 in European sizing, but everybody said the 40.5 versus the 41 is pretty much the same in the actual length of the shoe, and I can touch these because I haven't worn them, but you get a bit more width. So these are still a short sandal, and I'll show you guys these shoes on my feet. Your feet definitely will hit the tops of the sandal. They also don't have too much give in them. I think that's partly because mine are leather with stitching on top, so they don't have too much give. I definitely have to break them in. They are a comfortable sandal, but they're definitely a little tight across the tops of my feet. I cannot wait to start wearing these babies. Now, I live in hot, humid Atlanta, so I'll be able to wear these into October and in the fall. I'm just so excited to have a pair of these. I had to wait though to find my size in stock. If they have these available on the website, I will link them down below. I just really didn't want the traditional black. I honestly wanted the gold color, which is like Hermes's cognac, but the more I looked at them, I just really wanted a nice pair of sandals that I could wear with black. I do still want the tan or the gold, maybe next year, but I'm really excited to finally have these in my collection. Like I said, I take a 41, and traditionally I wear a US size 10. What I can say though, just right off the bat, these are a very well made sandal. Like, this is high quality. I think this is gonna last a really long time. All my girls that have them say that they've had them for years and they don't have any problems with them. Now, they are slick on the bottom, so you will have to kind of rough them up a little bit to get some traction so you don't slip out of the shoe. So be mindful of that. But yeah, I'm really happy with my purchase. Now, these were a little more expensive than the traditional just leather varieties, but like I said, I just wanted something a little different, and these definitely are a little different. So I will let you guys know how they end up wearing and tearing and how comfortable they become once I break them in. But that is everything for my Hermes haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the conclusion of my luxury birthday series. I can't wait to start using all my items. I'm so excited about it. I want to do another makeup tutorial now and use my Hermes blush and my lipstick. I am just, yeah, I'm excited. So let me know if you guys have any comments or questions down below. As always, I love you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you would like a review of anything, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.